All right, guys, let's. I'm having a little trouble to make sure. Uh, I'm trying to adjust the angle of the GoPro. I should be able to do it. I can just look at the rear screen and adjust the angle, right? Yeah, if I'm riding like this, this is a pretty good angle. This is a pretty good angle, eh? This is a pretty good angle. I don't even need the mirrors if I'm using this setup. Okay, like the GoPro is strapped with these extensions like this, then I don't even need the mirrors to see the angle of the GoPro. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me show you my bike quickly. I'll take it for the wash. It's just a regular bike. Disclaimer, it's just a regular bike. I don't believe in a super bike that just drinks too much oil. A super bike. This bike is best fuel efficient and everything, doesn't need that much maintenance. But after we complete our mission, and I'll tell you what our mission is for today, then I will go for a bike wash. But to see the bike wash and my daily vlogs, you need to watch my daily vlogs. Turn on, দেন না ওরা করবে, ওরা ঠিক আছে। আমি দেখছি আজকের দিনটা দেখে করি, তারপর নিজেরাই করে নেওয়া যাবে। Look at the time, 3:08, 14th May, Wednesday. ঠিক আছে, 3:08, 14th May, Wednesday. Let's go. What am I supposed to do now? Yeah, it's off. You need to do it so that something gets, like my trainer told me to do this before I start my bike. Then it's easier to start the bike, I guess. One sec. Let me look at the angle once again. Let me put it up a little bit. I want to keep my GoPro vertical. You understand what I mean? If I'm riding like this, my face is like this at this angle, my GoPro must be vertical. That's the perfect angle for me. Some people want their angles to be like this, but no, I want it to be like this. And once in a while I'll show you my handle. আছো না গেছো? হ্যাঁ, কোথায়? কই দেখি, কোথায়? দেখা যাচ্ছে না, দেখা যাচ্ছে না। হ্যাঁ, ও ঠিক আছে, লেটস গো। I'm going to find the place from where the loud noisy songs were coming. Oh shit. Oh, yesterday I went there and I found that place, but my phone ran out of battery, so I could not properly record that place. So today I'm trying to get a better view of that place. My helmet has got built-in sunglasses, so if I want to use the sunglasses, yeah, I can do it very easily. I'm not a full-time moto vlogger. You can say I'm a full-time vlogger, lifestyle vlogger, conversationalist. I'm basically a full-time conversationalist or podcaster and a lifestyle vlogger. I'm a part-time moto vlogger. But I think more for, oh god, this road is This road is comparatively better, but yeah, still it can be improved. Look, look at the potholes. That place is located in Mohadanga, most likely. Let's go. Today morning I could not go to the gym because I overslept. I was late to sleep, so I overslept today morning. I woke up via the alarm, but what happened is I thought let's lay down for a couple of minutes, 5 minutes. Then I fell asleep, and by the time I woke up, it was already 12 p.m. Left turn. This is the exact route. This is the exact route which I took yesterday to get to that place. Maybe there is a better route or a shorter route. Yeah, this is. What do you think about this place? By the way, this is my first time motor vlogging with GoPro Hero 12 Black in the daylight. So yeah. Always keep your eyes on the road. This place is called Kumorpara. Should I put down my sunglasses? I don't think it's necessary. I can, but I don't think it's necessary. Sue me if you can. Some people would be against me motor vlogging like this, so I'm saying sue me if you can. I'm ready. I'm ready to fight all the legal battles. I'm ready to change the laws. Well, there are not really any laws in India against motor vlogging like this. Maybe in Karnataka there is. They say that it can distract the rider, like if I'm motor vlogging then me. But I don't, that's bullshit. God. Man, there is a little pigeon on the road. At first it thought of going right, then I think it saw the Toto, then it turned left. Birds can maneuver in 3 dimensions, but humans can only do it in 2 dimensions, right? Yup, that's true. But if you have got a drone, or if you are on a helicopter, then you can maneuver in 3 dimensions. This place was totally empty yesterday. This is near Mankundu. Oh. This place is near Mankundu called Mohadanga. I'll have to take the right turn, look in the mirror, honk. Yeah, indicator is on, the right indicator. Obviously. Oh. I think I need to go straight. And it doesn't feel hot because I'm getting the wind. So TMC office. TMs. What's TMs? I'll have to take the left turn. Then which turn? Left or right? Which turn, man? Left or right? I don't know. Probably right turn. yesterday or today early morning I had to listen. Oh yeah, I can see. Do you see the mics over there? Over there I can see clear. Old mics. Yesterday I recorded that mic, but after recording the mic my battery ran out, the battery of my phone, because I recorded a huge clip yesterday. And last night, I mean that night, yeah, that's the candle. Probably the, yeah, oh god. I'll end the vlog pretty soon. Toto is coming. I'll end the vlog pretty soon. Then I'll put my GoPro back in my pouch bag. Have I ever come here before? Probably not. Sri Shitala Mandir. Some people like to speed. I don't like speeding. I like to ride on such roads, like not too wide roads. Which way to go? I've never come here before. No, surely I have never come here before. I'll end the recording pretty soon, probably in 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will go for the bike wash, which is that bike wash center is located by Chandanagar bypass. Today 5 p.m. I'll hit the gym. Yeah, I overslept, that's why the afternoon time, otherwise I prefer the morning time. Oh, blue dot. Which road is it? Do I know this road? I think I do. Yeah, that's Malkondu station on the right. Malkondu station. I'll have to take the right turn to get back to my house. Let's take the right turn. Then after taking the right turn, I'll end the Moto vlog. Let's overtake the rickshaw, then I'll end this Moto vlog. Honk, for God's sake. Let that bike pass, then I will overtake this rickshaw. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. Let me see how long I've been recording this vlog for. Oh, not too long, 30 minutes. Let's go guys. It's time to end this Moto vlog. But if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for my lifestyle vlogs, daily vlogs, motor vlogs, conversations. By the way, you will get the conversations on a different channel. So bye bye for this vlog. Okay, check out my playlists.